everybody, welcome to our snazzy life. So we are around the corner at the Spectrum Center, and you're here with James and Katie, and we have a couple special guests with us.
Yeah, so today, Shar and Scott from
Timon and Pimba
Hey guys.
have joined us.
You want to tell everyone a little bit about your channel?
Okay, it's Timon and Pinba. We're on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. And we do pin trading, and we love our snazzy life. I love watching their YouTube videos. We love anything pin content, but they're just great.
Well, thank you. We've been hanging out with them today. It's rare we see them outside of the park, so this is fun to actually hang outside the park. But
So we did find some new pins. Well, we found some pins that we're going to open up from BoxLunch today. The first one is a set that we've opened before, and it's the Pixar, the ones that are like bumpy.
they're almost like gummies.
Yeah.
Almost like gummies.
I really wanted to get the Sulley one. I got Rex and Lotso.
Yep. And we're
then-
trying to hold the Rex. If you guys know Isabella from Pedro and Isabella, I think she started collecting Rex for a niece or nephew or something. So we're trying to hold to that one for her.
And then the next one we got is, it's like the mice of Disney. There's Timothy, Jacques and Gus, Bianca, Bernard, Basil. So we got one of those.
That's what it looks like.
And then the last one we got is for James's Mr. Toad collection.
And I really like the Headless Horseman.
Yeah, the
on
Headless
this set.
Horseman is really cute. So there's all the characters from that. So I think we're going to see what we can get.
Yeah, we'll see if we get lucky, and we may use some Timon and Pimba luck and have them help us open to see if we can see if they're luckier than we are with some of these.
Yes.
All right, let's see what we get. All right, so now we've divvied up the pins, so hopefully you guys bring us some good luck. They can get the Sulley, and we can get Mr. Toad or Headless Horseman here, but Katie's going to start. Let's see what she gets. So she picked these out. So if we get dupes, it's all Katie's fault because she picked
It is,
these out.
I did. I picked them. So it's all me. But we already have, like I said,
system, how you picked them, or did you just grab them?
I just,
No system?
what I was feeling back there.
Okay, all right.
All right.
Let's see what we got.
We have It Feels Big.
That's what she said.
Oh, wait. I have to find the back of it. Ready?
Wow, that is big.
It's what she wanted.
It's
she got
Sulley.
Sulley.
Nice.
That's a beautiful
Right?
pin.
Yeah,
That is
these
way
are awesome
prettier than I would
pins.
have thought. Oh,
I was trying to
beautiful.
explain because when I was opening them, I'm like, they're fluffy. And then I was like, wait, they're not fluffy. They're like,
3D kind of.
yeah, they're like textured.
I wouldn't have thought based on the picture it would look like that.
I'm saving Mr. Toad for last. I'm going to see if we can get Katie's Gus and Jacques here really quick. I'm not dainty. I'm going to destroy this box. All right. So this one, just Gus and Jacques is all you're hoping for, right?
Yeah.
All right. Teacup, Gus and Jacques. I don't know what the...
It's Dormouse.
Oh, I saw it looked like a handle from here. So
Yeah.
I thought that's what it was. Oh, that is a cute one, though.
Yeah, it is.
Who is that?
This is from Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, okay, very cute. That's a really beautiful pin.
Yeah.
All right, who wants to go first with you guys?
Okay,
Mr. Toad, Headless Horseman, you got this.
let's do it. Back.
I know.
See?
Whoa.
I don't know who that is.
Katrina Van Tessel.
They're really pretty, though.
Yeah, these are nice pins.
It's very nice.
Okay, out of this pack,
I was gonna say, what's your second one? Because you
I
got
think
Sulley.
Trixie.
Trixie is really cute.
I don't know, May May's cute too.
Yeah, I think Mike is cute because he would
Yeah,
go with
they're all
Sulley, but yeah.
Which ones did you say you already had?
Rex and Lotso,
Oh, okay. They're all really cute.
but Trixie is really cute.
Nice.
So,
All right, so what are we hoping for, everybody?
She said Trixie or
I think
May.
any of them, though, would be.
Right.
Yeah, any that's not a dupe.
All right.
It's a
May May.
Does it have it upside
May
down?
May. That's so cute.
That is really cute. Can you guys see the detail here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That is
Turning red,
beautiful.
yeah.
Well, let's see if Katie can pull 2 for 2 on ones. She's going for Gus.
So when I was opening the BoxLunch ones before, James wanted the Eeyores, and there were 2 Eeyore sets, and I got his in both of them. So
What? That's awesome.
She gets lucky
Okay, so we're
sometimes.
hoping for Gus.
Gus and Jacques. Yep.
It's the only one she's hoping for.
It's a nope.
That is a nice one though. Basil.
Basil.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
And I feel like people will.
They'll want to trade
Yeah.
for those too. I think those are good
It
traders.
is a really nice one.
That's a really nice.
All right, last one. This is Mr. Toad or Headless Horseman I'm looking for. Mr. Toad for the collection, Headless Horseman, I'll probably put in my Halloween collection.
Yeah.
It makes me think of like the parade at the Oogie Boogie.
It does. Oh, it makes me sad they're not having that this year.
All right, let's see what we got. Can I tell Pete from that? Did we get dupes of her?
No,
What did we
it's a
get?
good one.
Oh, that's fun. Ichabod.
Yeah.
Yep, that'll be a good trader. So maybe take these to the next Kraken or something
That's
and
what
be
I was
trade
thinking.
for it.
Yeah.
All right, here's what we ended up with. So we did get the Sulley we wanted and got some really cool ones too. I just love how these look. Those are so cool.
It is. This one's really beautiful.
Yeah.
The Sulley.
Yeah, that Sulley is a sweet
This
one.
one's really nice too. The Great Mouse Detective. Is that who it is?
I'm not gonna lie, like Pink a la Mode and Hot Topic and BoxLunch, they outdo Disney a lot of the time.
Yeah.
They do
Yeah.
some really nice pins.
It is really beautiful.
All right, well that's gonna do it. Thanks for coming along our little pin adventure, and I want to thank for coming along.
Happy to be here.
Yep. Make sure if you haven't, go check out their channel. And
We'll see you next time on our Snazzy Life.
bye guys. Deuces.